Okay, so welcome members. Let us see now more of the probability. Now we are going to see how we delete the sample space of a die, a coin, and then a tetrahedral, a pentahedral, octahedral. It depends on the number of sides that thing has. Okay. So now we are in lesson 2, sample spaces of a coin, a die, and a tetrahedral. So if you consider a coin has two sides. We all faces, some people call it faces. The upper side, we call it the head. That one is done with anything. Then those ones and the tail. The tail is the one which is having the coat of arms. And its sample space is always, when you throw a coin, you expect it to. When you throw a coin, of course, you expect either a head to be up or a tail to be down. So when you throw a coin, one of the sides is going to be up. So the sample space you expect either a head or a tail. The lower side is called the tail, then the upper side is called the head. A die has 6 sides, numbered from 1 to 6. Of course, if you know die, that thing, and then they roll that thing is called a die. Of course, it has 1 to 6. Then the tetrahedral has 4 faces or sides, numbered from 1 to 4. Tetra. When tetra means 4, when you go to pentahedral, it means 5. If you go to like that octahedral, 8 sides. Okay. Now, after doing now, the sample space of a die, one die, it has, this is the sample space. You expect any of these numbers to show. Then the tetrahedral, because it has 4 sides, you expect any of these numbers to show when you throw it. Now when we come to tossing now 2 coins, how we delete the sample space when we toss 2 coins? Okay. So I'm going to that the first coin is going to be up, then the second coin is going to be down. Now the sample space is, I can, when I throw them, the first coin can produce a head, then the second head produces a head also. Or the second can produce a head, then this one can produce a tail when you throw the 2 of them. So when you throw, these are the possible outcomes. The second can produce a tail, then the first produces a head. Or the first can produce a tail and also the second produces a tail. So those are the only expected outcomes all over. So mean that the sample space is this can occur. This can, when the first coin is head, the second also is head. The second is head, the first is tail. The second is tail, head, tail, when all of them are bringing tails. And this is the sample space. So the sample space, the number of sample spaces are 1, 2, 3, 4. When now I toss to, when the plural of a die, the plural of a die is a dice. Dice. So when I toss 2 dice, this is how we delete the sample space. Of course, the first die is numbered from 1 to 6. Also, the second die is numbered from 1 to 6. So what are the results? The first die can produce a 1 and the first upper face, and then the first can produce also this one 1. So this one can produce a 1 when this one is 2. 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. 2, then this one 1, 2, then this one 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, and so on. When you come here, this one, the second is producing a 4 up, this one is producing a 1, 4, 2, and so on. When you come to this one can produce a 6, when this one is producing a 1, a 6, a 2, up to when this one can produce a 6, and this can also produce 6. So the sample space you just count. How many now possible? What's the number of the outcomes? Total number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 36. So you see that here, the number of the sample space here is 36. Here our number of the sample space was a 4. When it comes to two tetrahedrons now, also throwing the first tetra, they are having 4 sides. That's why you have it from 1 up to 4. Also you have from 1 up to 4. 1, 1, 2, 2, the same idea here. So the sample space here is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So here the number of our sample space is going to be 16 outcomes. Or you can just get, if these numbers are from 1 to this, you get this times this. I think this is 6 times 6, you get 36. Okay, so now we combine now here. I'm going to combine. Now we are throwing a die and a coin. If you are throwing a die and a coin, what happens? Remember, die, for instance, is numbered from 1 to 6. Then a coin is numbered, it has 2, the head and the tail. So when you throw, these are the possible outcomes. You can throw when a coin has a head, when this one is having 1 at the upper side. A head, then a 2, a head and a 2, head and a 3, head and a 4, head and a 5, head and a 6. Or can they have a tail and a 1, tail and a 2, tail and a 3, and a 4, 5, tail and a 6. So start the sample space now. You count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So start here. Our sample space is going to be 12. What about here? The tetrahedron and the coin, the same idea. Head, this and this. So start here our sample space. When you count those things, you are going to get 8, the number. Okay, so members, that's how we do this. Now we are going to see when they tell you when the result is a sum, the result is a product of a die, and so on. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I wish you